Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday! So, kami nakabihis na kasi papaalis na kami papuntang mall. Pero, yung asawa ko, nagyaya na pupunta na kami ng Ikea today. So, I don't know, pero gustong-gusto kong palagi. Like, naaaliw ako pag pumupunta sa Ikea. So, kaya today, isasama ko kayo. So far, maganda yung weather. At si Arthur ay So, nandito na tayo sa Ikea at hanap muna tayo ng parking space.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without.
Yan. So, ito yung Ikea. Mag-hand sanitizer muna tayo. Sana hindi siya mabaho. Minsan kasi yung mga sanitizer sa ibang sobrang baho. Okay. Actually, kailangan ko to. At ang cute ng print. Ang cute ng print. So, kukuha ko nito. At ito rin. So, ito siya.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. My hands feel on your body, we were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, we were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every step you're falling. It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I'm not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby. Dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
Santala. So, ito yung binili ng asawa ko. At ito yung hinahanap namin. Ito. Nahanap rin? How many? 3.
So pagod na siyang nakaupo sa stroller kasi gusto nga niya na palakad-lakad lang siya. Kaya umiiyak na siya. At so naghahanap kami ng blanket. Naghahanap kami ng blanket para ilagay sa Why not for him?
Just kung kulit nga ito. Tingnan niyo kung gano'n siya ang kulit.
Uy, matuwa na kasabaan dyan karon. Dili. Ay, Diyos ko, sobrang kulit. Ano? Ano? Di, oh, shush. Oh, shush, kapag cute. Nee. Kasabaan ka ron sa taga Ikea ron. Hala. Sige ka. Oops. Oops.
So, syempre, dapat titingnan natin yung like, ano ba yung translation sa English? So, ito mga items na ito na binalik ng mga customers. Kaya, discounted na siya. At syempre, palagi namin yung chine-check. Baka may... Ito yun. Ay, sorry. It's black. Yeah, I put it there na. On the wall. Okay, so wala tayong nahanap.
Down. So, nandito kami sa restaurant ng Ikea. Dito na kami magla-lunch. So, syempre, pag pupunta kayo sa Ikea, dapat dito kayo kakain at kakain kayo ng meatballs nila. So, either french fries or mashed potatoes, meatballs, tapos gravy, and then lingonberry. Is it? Lingonberry jam. Nakaalis na kami sa Ikea at nandito kami ngayon sa parking space ng Itis Mall. Mall siya. Kasi may bibilhin yung asawa ko sa isang tindahan ng yung lights. Pinupush niya na matapos niya today yung terrace. Para ma-enjoy niya yung terrace habang maganda pa yung weather. Hindi pa malamig. So, kaya tinatry niyang tapusin lahat. So, hindi kami sumama kasi nga natutulog si Arthur ngayon. At, Diyos ko, kakatulog niya lang. Hindi talaga siya natulog. Like, afternoon nap niya. Ngayon lang. Kaya, sabi ko sa kanya na dito na lang kami mag-antay. Nakauwi na kami at may papakita ko sa inyo. Tingnan niyo kung gaano siya ka-cute. Super cute. Rainbow carpet. At bumili din ako ng safety, ano ba itong tawag dito? Or sa mga saksakan. Kasi nga, kinukulikot ni Arthur yung mga saksakan. So, ito. Lalagyan ko siya ng cover. Okay, so, bumili pala yung asawa ko na itong ganito na style. Pero, okay. Alam mo, madumi na. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. Pwede mo siyang i-press. So, ganyan lang siya. So, mas prefer ko to kaysa nito. Tatanggalin natin. Ang dumi. Tapos na daw yung, terrace. So, tingnan natin kung anong itsura. Hova. So, natapos na rin. Ito yung binili niya sa Ikea. At yung ilaw. Ito, sa Ikea din to nabili. Is this from Ikea?
Which one?
This one?
No, ito.
Ito la. Okay. So, ito, storage to. Dito nilalagay yung mga pillows. Ito, in case uulan. para hindi siya mabasa. Ano to eh? Plastic. So, ano siya? Waterproof. So, may update sa ano guys, sa TERRACE. May nilagay yung asawa ko na lights, yung lights na binili niya. Tapos, may frame na din. Sadali, kunin ko muna sa'yo. Ay! Sumuka ni mo eh. Okay. So, ito na yung final look. Ayan, nilagyan niya ng frame para dyan niya isabit yung so, nandyan yung anak ko. Nag-chill out. Chill-chill lang siya. So, nilagyan niya ng light dito. Maganda to sa gabi pag madilim na. At ano lang siya, parang dim light lang. So, hindi siya masakit sa mata. At nilagyan niya ng frame para dyan isabit yung mga, yung light. At ito naman, ito siya, gagawin niyang lamesa. Ito. So, lalagyan niya ng pixie glass para maging even yung surface. At, yeah, yun na yung lamisa. So, ito na yung final look. Maganda siya, in fairness. Ayan. So, eto. Good job. Good job, William. So, ito yung view paggabi. Medyo malamig nga lang ngayon. Time check, ano na, 11, and eto, nag-chill-chill lang ako dito. Ini-enjoy yung, peace. Yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! Good night, everyone!